Understanding Lose the Connection. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase that you might encounter in both everyday conversations and in technical contexts. Lose the connection. Understanding this phrase can help you navigate through discussions more smoothly, whether you're talking about technology or personal relationships. So, let's get started. When we say, lose the connection, we're often referring to a technical issue. This usually means that there has been a disruption in a service that connects us to something else, such as the internet or a phone call. For example, if you're talking on the phone and suddenly can't hear the other person, you might say, "I think we lost the connection." It's a straightforward use of the phrase that highlights a break in communication or service. Beyond technology, lose the connection can also have a deeper, more figurative meaning. In this context, it describes a situation where two people or groups are no longer as close as they once were, emotionally or relationally. For example, if two friends grow apart and don't understand each other like before, one might say, "We've lost our connection." This usage emphasizes the emotional distance that has developed between individuals or groups. To help you better understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. Literal usage: during the storm, we lost the connection to our satellite TV. Figurative usage: after moving to different cities, it felt like we lost the connection that we once had. Remember, context is key in determining how lose the connection is being used in conversation. There are several related phrases that you might find useful. Drop the call specifically refers to losing a phone connection. Disconnect can be used both literally, to describe severing a technical connection, and figuratively, to describe emotional or relational distance. Understanding these phrases can help you navigate conversations about technology and relationships with greater ease. And that wraps up our discussion on the phrase, lose the connection. Whether you're troubleshooting a technical issue or reflecting on personal relationships, this phrase can help you describe the situation accurately. We hope this video has been informative and has helped you feel more comfortable using this phrase in different contexts. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances of phrases like these. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to improve every day.